Hey y'all! Ever wonder how this Pixar voice got so real? Let me show you the magic behind the mic. It's called ElevenLabs, a powerful text-to-speech tool that makes AI voices sound like they've actually got soul. I use the V3 Alpha model because it understands the assignment. It adds emotion, drama, and even personality to your words. You can whisper, sigh, shout, even flirt, using little tags like excited, sad, or whispers. It's giving voice actor energy. First, click the link in the description to head over to ElevenLabs. Browse the voice library or explore the Community Voices tab for something spicy. Like a voice? Hit that little plus sign and it'll show up in your My Voices tab. Heads up, you only get 30 slots, so I suggest keeping a notebook of your faves in case you need to rotate. Now tap into the TTS, text-to-speech tool on the sidebar. It's simple, just type your script like you're sending a text. Select your voice. I've chosen the voice named Jessica. Then hit Generate Speech. Want to level it up? Tap that Enhance button and ElevenLabs will add emotion tags for you automatically. Once you hit Generate, ElevenLabs will give you 2 generations to choose from. And you can regenerate up to 2 times for free until you find a version you like.
Is this me?
Let's take a listen.
Actually talking? This is incredible. I mean, I've had thoughts, millions of them, swirling around in here, like a little mental tornado of brilliant observations and witty comebacks. But they were always just thoughts, trapped. I just can't believe it. Oh, wow. Is this me? Am I actually talking? This is incredible. I mean, I've had thoughts, millions of them, swirling around in here, like a little mental tornado of brilliant observations and witty comebacks. But they were always just thoughts, trapped. I just can't believe it.
Want to turn your voiceover into a video? Just click share, pick a background, white, black, or multicolor, and boom. You've got a talking text video in less than a minute. Perfect for reels, shorts, or adding a little flair to your content. You can toggle on or off the audio tags. Once you hit generate, it takes less than a minute. Let's watch the magic.
Oh, wow. Is this me? Am I actually talking? This is incredible.
Oh, and pro tip, you can write your own emotion tags too. Just type them in like giggle or laugh. The tags with turn purple, and ElevenLabs will act it out for you. That's the real magic. Quick note, some voices use more credits than others. You'll see how many characters you're using at the bottom. Also, ElevenLabs speaks over 70 languages. Missy has gone international, baby. Mira esto, estoy hablando español. So if you're ready to bring your characters or your brand to life, go try ElevenLabs. No mic, no problem. No studio, no sweat. Just type, tag, and talk. Okay, my time is up. I've got a scene to finish, but if you've got questions, drop them in the comments. And don't forget about the notification bell so you can see how our digital creators building a whole faceless universe, one voice at a time. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.